Mukhang gutom na si Mrs. So we will try the secret recipe from Bistro Group, and we are now at their Shangri-La Plaza branch. This restaurant offers Malaysian cuisine, so let's try some. Dahil mainit ang panahon, first order of business is called drinks. My daughter ordered this salted caramel chocolate drink and mukhang nagustuhan naman niya, so rating natin dito is 10 out of 10. For the appetizer, we ordered the crispy chicken salad. I like how they cut the cucumber, so for food presentation, 10 out of 10. My daughter tried it and mukhang nagustuhan naman niya. Personally, I like the dressing, may hint of peanut, and although hindi masyadong malasa yung chicken, I think the dressing gives it justice. And when I asked my wife if nagustuhan niya yung salad, mukhang approve naman sa kanya. So, for this one, ang rating natin is 8 out of 10. We also ordered nasi lemak, fried chicken. For this one, when we saw it in the menu, it really looks appetizing. However, nung dumating siya, mukhang overcooked yung fried chicken. And upon tasting, yes, it was overcooked. So, our rating for this one is 6 out of 10. Now, this one is roasted chicken with mushroom sauce. Now, this one is way better than the nasi lemak. My wife and I really liked it. So, ang rating natin dito is 9 out of 10. Now, this one is the fish and chips. Medyo weird lang kasi parang British menu yung ganito. The fries I tried and medyo crispy naman siya. But the fish, hindi ko siya nasubukang kainin. So, I really don't know how it tastes. And for that reason, I'm giving this a rating of 8 out of 10 kasi mukhang nagustuhan naman siya ng anak ko. This drink is floral lychee strawberry drink, and dahil mahilig ako sa strawberry and refreshing din naman siya, rating natin dyan is 9 out of 10. Next is the Singapore Laksa. First, I wanna say for the price, medyo parang maliit yung serving niya because there are some other restos na mas malaki yung serving with more reasonable price. But for the taste, masarap naman siya. I like na hindi siya super spicy. Sakto lang sa panlasa namin ng mag-asawa. And we're gonna rate this 8 out of 10. They also have here a variety of cakes to choose from. And we ordered Hokkaido cheesecake. Rating natin dito is 9 out of 10. Dahil masarap naman talaga siya. Sobrang sarap. Nagpa-picture pa yung wife ko. Overall rating, 8 out of 10. And naka-discount pa kami kasi may credit card promo. So if you're looking for another Malaysian restaurant, you might wanna try the secret recipe on your next dine out.